Hey guys, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you how to set up confirmation email on Shopify. Let's get started. So in order to do that, just click on the settings right here. And on the settings, we should be able to see this left sidebar right here. So just scroll all the way down until you have see this notification. So click on this. And then from in there, you can see this customer notification. So click on this one right here, and in here you can see the order confirmation. So click on the order confirmation, and you will see an actual preview of what it will look like. So for example, they will thank you for the purchase, as well as your order summary, and as well as a subtotal and the total paid, as well as a customer information. So for this one, let's try to send test for this, and email will be sent to the specific email. So click on send, and then open up the email that you have connected to your Shopify in order to see what it looks like on Gmail. So in here, we have this one. So let's click, and then let's try to refresh it in order to see what it looks like. It will actually take some time, and in here you can see this. So this is what it looks like right now, just like what we see on our preview right here. So let's head back in here again. You can actually edit the code right here. And once you edit the code, you can edit the email subject, the email body, but you need to be actually try to be able to be an expert on Shopify and coding in order to edit the code from there. So that's the whole process. If you have found this video helpful, simply leave a like below or subscribe because it helps reach more people. See you soon.